Right, I'm here at our next destination. This is the Royal Selangor Visitor Centre. Okay, you can't really see it, it's too wide. I've been meaning to go here because it's one of the top attractions in Malaysia which a lot of tourists go to, and I'm also on a mission to go to more famous places in KL. This place is pretty far out. It is in Setapak, which is 34 kilometers away from my house. It took me more than half an hour to drive here, and that's on a Sunday. I'm very fascinated to know all about pewter. I don't really know much about it. I know it's like that shiny metal thing that can become, I don't know, the paperweight. Let's check it out and see. The entrance area looks pretty empty. This is the grand entrance.
If you look at your right, you'll see a large tankard. And this tankard is constructed in the year 1985 to celebrate our company's 100 years anniversary. After 2 years, it is stated into the Guinness Book of Record as the world's largest pewter tankard.
We are now inside the building. Look how big it is. So I have managed to get a tour guide, or actually there was a tour guide who was free, who's able to take me around and explain stuff, which is really good, otherwise I would not know anything. So we're going to begin right now.
They are made of pure tin, and its value is referred to its weight. The heavier it is, the more valuable.
So last time they used this as currency?
Yeah, 400 years ago.
Animal shaped tin.
Animal shape, yeah. So the coin can be bought from the branches and used as a currency. So as the saying goes, money grow on tree.
The coin can plug off?
Yeah, because pure tin is soft.
Okay, I don't know if you can hear that. It's raining really heavily, and I'm trapped here. But over here we have the early editions of pewter when it was made, such as early cups and mugs, probably in the mid 20th century. And it is pretty interesting to look at it because they are quite archaic looking, and it's a blast from the past. It's amazing how they managed to do it. It's so pretty, very well made. It's, I would say, sublime. That's the word.
Before we proceed to the demo area, here will be a welcome drink. So pewter have a special property. It can maintain the temperature of the drink for 30 to 40 minutes. So it will remain cold for a long time.
So my 100 plus will be cold for 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really interesting. It feels really cold.
Yeah. You can feel it. And then our craftsman way to use the steel blade to do the polishing by applying even pressure onto the pewter cup and remove layers of pewter. So this process will produce a lot of pewter shaving, as we have seen in the large container just now.
And here is all the shavings.
Yeah, that we have seen in the large container just now, but this one is softer.
Yeah, soft foil.
You can actually throw it back to the melting pot and reuse it. And this is the finishing product. It is done after the hammering. The tumbler that we used to serve the drink at the counter just now.
So smooth. So it went from this rough one to this smooth,
and then give it a hammering finish.
So this is before the polishing.
This is after the sandblasting.
Sandblasting?
Yeah.
So that's why it's so shiny.
Yes.
Wow.
And here you can see our top selling product, the tea caddy. As I open up the lid, you will hear pop sound.
Oh yeah.
It is entirely airtight, even though there's no rubber inside. Because it's perfectly fit together. So as I release, the lid will fall into place. It will compress the excess air out. So inside is airtight. So in a total, she will knock 1,400 times to complete one piece.
That's a lot.
Yeah, just one mistake, it will be sent back to the melting pot. One mistake.
So you mean if it's a weekday, all of this is working? Wow, that's a very, very
This is
big.
the largest and only pewter factory. All the pewter products are made here and then export over the world.
Serious? Wow, that's a lot. It's huge. Okay, lighting here is really good, but check out all of this factory area for the workers to do the handicraft workmanship. It's literally their workstations and there's a long row of tables for them. It's mind-blowing that this factory is so huge. Apparently there's even more on the outer side, which is the back part of this factory. And I can't even see the end. Probably it's like a distant corner. But man, this is massive. And it really makes me appreciate the craftsmanship on all of these handicraft items because everything is handmade. For me, nothing here is done by the machine. It's all done by humans, especially for the detailing. That's why it's so expensive. The level of accuracy needed to make all of these beautiful items, like over here. Wow, there's an Iron Man here.